ready to learn some wild animal words? Then watch this video and get ready to have some fun. Look, point and say. Elephant, elephant. Look, point and say. Lion, lion. Look, point and say. Panda, panda. Look, point and say. Fox, fox. Look, point and say. View, view. Look, point and say. Where, where. Look, point and say. Koala, koala. Look, point and say. Hyena, hyena. Look, point and say. Tiger, tiger. Look, point and say. Giraffe, giraffe. Look, point and say. Snake, snake. Look, point and say. Monkey, monkey. Look, point and say. Chipmunk, chipmunk. Look, point and say. Zebra, zebra. This is the end of the English vocabulary lesson about wild animals. Don't forget to review and listen. And practice pronunciation. See you again in the next lesson.